The M18 fuel utility fencing stapler, it's made our job much quicker and safer. Put the battery in, hit the power button, and just start firing. It's exponentially more productive not having to swing the hammer.
In the past years, I had issues with, my wrist getting sore with swinging a hammer. Versus switching out to this M18 fencing utility stapler, it has really made a difference, for me to keep up with the work I need to do.
3,500 feet of fence. One guy can hand staple it in a couple hours with the Milwaukee tool. A half hour, 45 minutes, walk around the job, and it's stapled.
It's a lot easier than the traditional hammer, a lot faster, more efficient. You can reach up higher, and it's real light, so you can pick it up. You can use it with one hand.
And with the stapler, you're able to use your one free hand to hold the wire where you need to keep it in place, where if you're using a hammer and staples, you literally have to use your whole body to hold it where you want.
I think Milwaukee's on top of the game when it comes to battery technology.
With the M18 battery, I can work all day without having to change it out.
I could do at least a day worth of work on one battery before I have to, switch it out to another battery.
It has that nice big hook on it, so I can hook it on any of my carabiners I need to and move around the pole or in the bucket as easily as I possibly could.
Having staples that just go right in how they're supposed to every time mechanically driven, it's a game changer for this industry.
We use the M18 fuel utility fencing stapler to go through many types of wood: pine, oak, cedar.
We haven't found a post that we haven't been able to put it in yet, and there's no lag or anything.
And it drives it perfectly in each type of pole we have.
The Milwaukee staples got 3 sizes, they all fit in the same gun. They're easy to use.
With the higher crown on these staples, it doesn't pinch the molding, it helps you glide it down nice and easy.
This would be one of the first tools that I recommend to anybody. It has made our job so much easier, quicker, safer, and more efficient.